I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. You're always on my mind. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking. I can't stop thinking about you. I don't wanna work it out now. I just wanna play around. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I don't want.
And cut a rounded shape at one end. This is going to be the head. There we go, like that. And then at the other end, we're going to make it nice and long. That's going to be the tail. There we go. Right, now we're going to fold this into a sort of spring shape by folding it one way and then the other, and then one way and then the other, and then that way. It's a bit like making a paper fan. Brilliant. Now if we open it up like that, we can get our white stickers here and put the eyes on. There's one and there's the other one coming now. There we go. Now we need our black pen to put dots on for the eyes and draw on a mouth. And then if we turn him over, we can position our straws, get some sticky tape and stick them in place. Oh, I've got to be quick, just a few seconds to go. I've done it! One way, and then the other way, and then one way, and then the other way. Like this, over and over. There's one spring, brilliant. And now I need to make another one. There we go, let's spring into action. There we go. Over there. Oh, I've got to be quick as I can. There we go. Right, another spring. Now I need to get some glue and put some on the end there and some on the end there, and then put on my circles.
Halfway there.
Halfway already? Oh no. Right, now, where are my circles? There they are. There's one and there's two. Now these are going to be the eyes, so I need to get a black pen and put a circle in the middle. There we are. There's a pupil there. And there's one. Brilliant. Right, I need to get a loop of sticky tape like this and put them on the glasses. There's one loop. Now I need another one. 10 seconds. Oh no, I'm running out of time. There's that one there. There's one eye. And there's the other one. I've done it.
Thank you, Mr. Maker.
And put them together like that in an L shape. And then get some glue and stick them together. Now we're going to make a paper spring by folding over one way and then the other way and then one way and then the other way, all the way along until we've got our spring. Right, I've got to go as quick as I can. Now this can be a bit tricky, so you might want to ask an adult to help you. Faster! I'm going as quick as I can, Toki. There we go. Now if I put a big dollop of glue on the end here, like that, And then we can put our pom-pom on top there. Now let's give him some eyes. There we go, there's one eye. There. And then there's another eye. Let's stick him on. There we go. There. Now, if we get our pot and put some glue in there, we can put our surprise bug inside and close the lid.